right, here we go. See what his first book on his practice light for 19 for the year 2003. Here we go. Whoa! He got a hold of the track. Great hook going. Not bad for a first hook. Let's give him a nice round of applause. How about it? Brandon Tractor, the 7220. We could have a new leader with that hook. Josh Smiley, the 7220. Dan's real happy with that, I can tell you, as he runs down the side of the track over there. All right, here we go now on the line.
Probably got it all the way out. Drive ahead of everybody else. I just don't know that.
Right there, John Schott Farms, ladies and gentlemen. And how do you like me now? That's what it's practice to be. And here comes the full distance now. Here we go, 287.
All right, I'll talk to you later. Yep, bye.
In the super hick of David Batliner out of Floyd Knobs, Indiana. Those are the next two coming your way here. All right, right there for the Hurricane Deer, and Dan Hensley out of Trafalgar, Indiana. Dan Hensley. He makes his mark there tonight with that 78-10. Trying to get their act together, and I'm not so sure down the road they're not going to win a couple of tractor pulls. I don't think there's any doubt about it. So here we go now. Just a second as David back to the starting line. And we'll be coming on with us here out of Floyd Knobs, Indiana. They're an implement dealer company up there in the Floyd Knobs area.
Oh, that red one ain't.
Yep.
Here we go. A little bit different sound. The rest of the track is looks like the CA is going to work. Here it comes. Not a bad hook at all. Let's give him a nice round of applause. The Super Hick out of Floyd Knobs, Indiana. These guys are starting to get their act together with that Massey Ferguson.
Three more.
Jack Darnell out of Cynthiana, Kentucky. And this guy's been pulling Super Farm a long time. And one of our stars in the ATVA circuit too. He runs very, very well. Top 5 in the region points last year. And looks like he's going to work here. He's very well in the Grand American also. Here we go. Look out on the top there. right there. Let's give him a nice round of applause. How about it? Mac Darnell, ladies and gentlemen. Strong running tractor out of Cynthiana, Kentucky here tonight. 1486 machine out of Cynthiana.
That Massey, I would love to have that Massey. Get better.
It was 293 and 54, and that's Josh Miley, who is currently in the number 2 spot. All right, here we go now with the Screaming Eagle. Jamie Bond coming with us. Glad to see him here tonight out of Sparta, Kentucky, and you don't see a lot of cases as far as the case itself, the original case before they jumped up the Case IH in these categories. You see a couple in pro stock now once in a while, and now we have this machine here. All right, here we go. On the line, Jamie Bond. Right there at the last, got underneath that turbocharger. That's all she wrote, but not a bad hook for the 2290 today.
How many two-wheelers did he say?
15.
There for the brothers Shepardsville from Nicholasville, Kentucky, down the Lexington area. Morris has got under his sleeve. Whoa! Well, you got to learn the new gears, how gears work and so forth, and I think he just got out-geared himself there on that particular run, but that's all she wrote here, ladies and gentlemen, for the Tom Morrissey machine. Your winner's going to be the Shyster. He's going to get out. All right, here we go now with Larry Phillips coming to the starting line here. Mr. Larry Phillips. Hey, don't forget Smith's Farm Toys is up there too. If you see a tractor running here tonight, they possibly have a model of it up there, or you can have them make you one. No doubt about it. Check out the great farm toys they have up there. They got a lot of other things, pedal tractors, lots of things. Check it out, top of the hill at Smith's Farm Toys. We need Mac Darnell to the announcer stand, please. Mac Darnell to the announcer stand, please. Mac Darnell to the announcer stand, please. I actually need you here right in front of the gate when you get a chance to come over. Well, we got a couple of exhibition runs. This is a lightweight super stock tractor. This is Larry Phillips coming to the starting line here with his tractor known as Insanity on the starting line here. You'll see this tractor run here tomorrow night. I want to thank Larry again for helping the tractor. Did a great job getting this tractor. Man, I don't know what happened, but quickly she died on him. That everything seems to be okay. We thought there for a minute he's going to want the tractor to come forward and then pull that switch. But evidently is all right. Didn't have the greatest one he won, so let's give him a nice round of applause. How about it, ladies and gentlemen? Larry Phillips. Kind of a smoky ride here tonight for the brand new Insanity tractor there. And we have a four-wheeler to go yet also here tonight. One four-wheeler.
Oh, they're doing
Come on.
right, Darnell, what a way to start the year off, huh?
Yeah, it's really great. I tell you, I've got a lot of people to thank. Lucas Oil, we run Lucas in our tractors, started last year. Georgia Boots, McCormick Tractors, we had guys, y'all need to go get them. I've got one, bought a brand new one. It's a great tractor. Duramax Diesel, Can-In Filters, Hypermax Engineering, Powerbox. Guys, y'all need to support these people because they support us. And we have a great time out here. It's really been fun pulling in front of you guys. Hope we put on good shows throughout the rest of the year.
Let me ask you this. How much work did you do on this tractor? I saw you at Louisville, and we saw you at Fort Wayne. After Louisville, did you go home and do a little more work?
We had 2 burnt pistons down in Louisville, and I had some injector problems, and we got those solved, and made some changes last night to a little